Hey beautiful people, how are you? So in my last video I showed you how to edit watch faces for your Amazfit Bip using a web-based editor. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new application which is developed by a group of Italian developer, which is available for Windows and that you will be able to use in order to edit your watch faces. It's very simple, it's easier than my previous video, and also this application comes with a lot of guides. So let's take a look at it, and remember, if you have any comments, feedback, or you just need help, remember you can always comment below and I will reply to you. Let's take a look. Okay, so now let's head to download all the files that we need. So first thing you need to download is the watch face editor. This is a great program which has been created by the Gruppo Tester guys. They are Italian and they are awesome, so please check them out. The second file you need to download, you will find all the links in the description, is the Amazfit Bip tools here. So you just need to download this file because we will use it to extract the JSON file from the bin file. Now let's say that you saw a cool watch face and maybe you want to translate it, or you want to edit it, or maybe you just want to change something. You just need to download it. You will download the bin file. So now create one empty folder and we will extract the watch face editor in the folder itself. Then we will create another folder in here where we will put the watch face extractor, which is the second file that we have downloaded. Yeah, stupid mirror. Okay. You put it in here, and then you also put the watch face that you want to edit in here. So the first step is that you have to drag and drop the bin file over the watchface.exe program. If you have seen my previous video, we have already done this. It's the very similar process. So once you have this folder, basically you have extracted the JSON file. So now let's go back to the main folder where you will find the watch face editor program. You can both create a new one, which is a very simple process, or open an existing one. Let's go and open my watch face. You can see that now I have the JSON file. I just need to put it in here. So now, as you saw for the web-based watch editor, you can both edit the code here, or you can just basically select one element and edit anything you just like. So basically, if I apply, you can see that the date now has switched a bit on the left, just to show you a bit more. Oh, well, anyway, it's working, I can tell you. You can go and maybe move this around, and you see that now I have moved the first digit. Anyway, you can add and remove any element that you like from the watch face. So you don't like the lock button, you can remove it. And once you're done with what you want to do, what you want to edit, you just need to save the JSON file. You see, once you have saved the JSON file, you have to go back to the folder. You just need to check that the program has saved the watch file, the JSON file. You can see that it has. So once you are done, you just need to take the JSON file and drag and drop it once again on over the watchface.exe file. So you just go like this, and this will create a bin file from the JSON file. Once the bin file has been created, you just need to use a program or an application on your smartphone, and this only works on Android smartphones, and you will need to install the packet.bin file on your phone, and that way you will have your brand new watch face on your Amazfit Bip. So you see that basically this is the file that we have just created through the application. It's very simple, and you just need to practice a bit. If you find yourself lost, you can always ask me questions in the comments, or you can check out the guide folder where you will find all the information that you need, because the guide is actually very long, and there are also explanations about how to edit each element. So hope you liked the video. If you don't mind, please subscribe, or at least put a like on my channel. Thank you guys, bye.